I'm Keith Mueller. I'm with Farmers Union Oil, Southern Valley, Fairmont, North Dakota. I am the ESS Petroleum Supervisor. I've been in my position for 23 years. I work locally with the farmers and the producers pretty much on a daily basis. A typical day, I go out to a farm. I will see if they've got any needs. To build a good relationship, you have to have a lot of trust. The farmers know that they make one phone call, I'm there. When the farmer usually calls me, they actually are out looking for a piece of equipment and they want to know what's going to be covered on the warranty plan. So I ask them how old the tractor is, how many hours are on it, and then what are they looking for. If the tractor already has a previous Cenex Total Protection Plan warranty on it, it is transferable to the new owner at no cost. This warranty plan is just phenomenal. The best in the business for the oil, the best in the business for fuel, and we have the best warranty out there that you can buy. On the Cenex Total Protection Plan, we have the brand new warranties, 10 years, 10,000 hours for the engine and injector pump. It costs $299. If you have a piece of equipment that's 2 years old or older, we have a used program that costs $399. And with that, you get 8 years, 8,000 hours on the engine and the injector pump. With farmers keeping equipment longer, it's definitely a no-brainer just to sign it up and just use quality products and be covered. With the quality products we have with the Cenex Total Protection Plan warranty, we have our Maxtron diesel engine oil products, Super Lube TMS engine oil 1540. We also have our grease line, Blue Guard, ML365, Maxtron EP, our Cenex Ruby Fuel Master Fuel that works in conjunction with all this together to get the ultimate performance of the warranty. If we still were in farming today, there's no doubt it would be everything Cenex and everything would be signed up in the Cenex warranty plan because it is by far the most amazing products and the warranty out there. I truly love selling this product. It's peace of mind that we stand behind all of our products for the customers, and Cenex is one of the best companies out there that has the best quality products that you can buy.